Hello, I am Dr. Sameh Hadhoud from the People's Friendship University of Russia in Moscow. First of all, let me introduce myself. I started my practical life 20 years ago as a resident in General Surgery Department at Asyut University in Egypt, my hometown, where I was born, raised, and received my primary medical education. After 3 years of residency, I got my master's degree and became a specialist in maxillofacial surgery at the same university. Actually, I held this position until 5 years ago when I decided to prepare for my PhD here in Russia, in Moscow. During my work and studies, the university provided a wide list of indexed journals needed to fulfill the requirements for obtaining master's and PhD degrees. It was on this list that I found Cureus. To date, I have 3 articles already published in Cureus. First one is called A Case Report of Successful Bilateral Liechtenstein Repair Using Elastic Tags. Second one is titled Rule of Python-based Statistical Analysis in Comparing Polypropylene and Polyester Mesh Implants and Liechtenstein Hernia Repair, a Retrospective Comparative Cohort Study. The third one is our first experience in using anatomically fitted mesh implant Hernia during Liechtenstein repair, a case report, with others currently under peer review. So beyond being a key part of my scientific promotion, Cureus has also provided me with the opportunity to work with them as a peer reviewer. I have now reviewed about 40 articles. Here in RODN, we do only professional work, and we work only with professionals. That's why I am confident in inviting my colleagues to share their own publications with Cureus, which was recently promoted from Russia with love, and goodbye.